keep going like this. Do it yourself now. Okay, have a go. Keep it going, that's really good. Get the t-shirt to try this. Which t-shirt can you go? Look at this shy retiring thing on there. This is so shy. You sure you want to get up? Force yourself. Such a shy thing, isn't it? Get over here. Well done. Okay, right. Okay, and you're Miss or Mrs. Miss Jones. Okay. I'm Jeff. I'm still doing Miss Jones. 2 beats, concentrate Miss Jones. Right, 2 beats in each hand. Alright, okay. You keep it going, alright? Go on then. What you saw everyone doing today, they were playing 2 beats on each hand. You start very, very slow. That's what Ellis should play. You start nice and slow. Yeah. Lovely day. Thank you.